So in this video, I'll show you how to accept a team up request from a friend or from just another player. So all you need to do is once the request has come through, simply select accept. And once you've done that, you'll have successfully joined the team. Once you've joined the team, you even have the option to go ahead and see your current team and how it looks like. And then you can see here, you have your team leader and you also have yourself ready to go and explore. So for example, if your team decides to go online and they decide to go or they go multiplayer, you can always just follow along and you can travel together. And so that is how you can join a team. If you're part of this team and you decide you want to leave, whether it's because you're done with your objective or you want something else to do, simply select leave team and confirm that, and you'll have successfully left the team. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.